What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to change ammo types in Once Human. Obviously, when you unlock new ammo types and you craft them at your workbenches, whether they're copper, steel, armor penetrating, or not, how exactly do you switch between these different ammo types once you've actually crafted them? Well, you don't actually need an improved weapon, you don't need a modified weapon, you don't even need to upgrade your weapon. Just hit I to open your inventory page, then head across to gear at the very top. There's probably a hotkey to get here faster. Then right-click the weapon you want to change the ammo type for. So I'll right-click my AK here, then head across to accessory at the very top and click ammo. At this point, you'll be able to choose copper, AP, copper, steel AP, etc. all the way up to the best bullets in the game. Once you select something, bam, just like that, it'll be swapped out and it'll be using that instead. So currently I've got 2,700. I can switch to this, use the rest of my 300, etc. It's easy enough to change the type and you can immediately see the different stats at the very top, and there probably is a faster way of doing it, but that's the way that I've been doing it. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.